You've been told to stop eating rice, bread, and potatoes because of your blood sugar. This video will open your eyes with 10 simple yet powerful strategies that will help you enjoy these foods without experiencing a sugar spike. The 10th one is the simplest and the most powerful, yet the most ignored. Let's dive right into it. When you eat any of those foods alone, like rice and stew with no veggies, or bread and tea with no protein, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. Over time, even if you're not diabetic yet, it could result to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, hormonal imbalances, fatty liver, that's big belly, and other metabolic health issues. But hang on, here are 10 powerful but simple strategies for enjoying these meals without experiencing a sugar spike. And the first one is the second meal effect. Do you know that what you eat as the first meal of the day affects how your body responds to your second meal? Yes, 100%, and it's called second meal effect. For instance, if you eat a fiber-rich breakfast with protein and some healthy fats, this food releases insulin slowly, improving your insulin sensitivity and prepares your body to handle high-carb meals better. What that means in practical terms is that if you break your fast, no matter the time of the day you choose to break your fast, whether by 8 a.m. or by 12 p.m., if you break your fast with egg, avocado, and veggies, it releases insulin slowly, improves your insulin sensitivity, and prepares your body to handle high-carb meals like rice better without much blood sugar rise. So instead of just breaking your fast with bread and tea, try something like boiled egg, avocado, and some vegetables, or okra soup with fish. Number two, add vinegar the right way. Vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, contains acetic acid, which slows down the digestion of starch by inhibiting amylase, the enzyme that turns starch into glucose or blood sugar. This delays digestion and reduces post-meal sugar spikes. When you eat and then move a little, your muscles act like sponges, absorbing excess sugar from your blood. And apple cider vinegar supports this process, making the effect of post-meal movement more pronounced. Drinking apple cider vinegar straight can damage your teeth enamel and irritate your gut lining over time. So always dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, or better still, mix in food like garden egg sauce, salad dressing, or soaked in zobo. Number 3, allow your potato and rice to cool first before you eat. When you cook and then refrigerate starchy foods like rice or potato overnight in your fridge, a process known as retrogradation occurs. This process turns some of the digestible starch into resistant starch, and your body can't break resistant starch down in the small intestine. Instead, it passes down undigested to the large intestine, trapping some sugar and reducing the volume of sugar or glucose that enters the bloodstream. Another good thing about resistant starch is that it feeds your gut bacteria, which improves both digestion and metabolism. So boil your rice and potatoes and store them in the fridge overnight. The next day, enjoy with your favorite soup or sauce. This is a simple trick that makes your carb work for your blood sugar, not against it. Number 4, pair these carbs with protein, healthy fat, and fiber. Naked carbs hit your bloodstream faster, but adding protein, healthy fat, or fiber slows it down. So let's get practical. Instead of eating just bread and tea, pair your bread with boiled egg, scrambled egg, fish, or even beans. Serve rice with vegetable-rich sauce and grilled fish. Pair potatoes with steamed greens and eggs or chicken. This simple but powerful combo slows down digestion, reduces sugar spikes, and keeps you full longer. Number 5, follow the right eating order. The sequence in which you eat your food matters. Start your meals with vegetables and protein before eating carbs. This simple approach slows glucose absorption and prevents sugar rush. In a normal African home, meat and fish are usually eaten last. They serve as a motivation for eating your meal. But that's wrong order if you're trying to prevent a sugar spike. It's better you eat your fish or meat first, then followed by vegetable and then your main meal. Or that you eat your vegetable and your protein together before eating your main meal. Following this order will slow down the rate sugar gets released from the food you eat. Number 6, portion control is key. Portion size is a game changer. Even large servings of healthy carbs can cause sugar spike. So portion control is very key. The best way to control your portion is to follow the quarter rule. Make starchy carbs only 1/4 of your plate and let protein and vegetables take the center stage. Learn to eat mindfully. Your body needs time to register fullness. Eating too fast might make you overeat before your brain catches up that you are filled. So after every scoop, drop your fork or your spoon and take a break. Chew thoroughly and savor the flavors in the food you are eating mindfully. This simple yet powerful strategy helps regulate your blood sugar and appetite. I know this will be hard if you are used to eating continuously without taking a break. You just need to be mindful about it so you can implement this strategy. After every scoop, drop your spoon, drop your fork, and chew mindfully to savor the flavor in the food you just ate. After that, you can pick up your spoon or your fork and take another scoop, drop again, chew thoroughly before taking another scoop. Number 8, don't peel all your potatoes. The bag is packed with fiber and polyphenols that help slow down sugar absorption. Just ensure you scrub the back of the potato very well and boil with the skin. It's healthier and more satisfying. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section so that this video will get a lot more people. So number 9, choose healthier carbs. All carbs are not created equal. Instead of eating fiberless carbs, go for fiber-rich carbs. So instead of eating white bread, go for whole grain bread. Swap white rice with brown rice, fonio, or ofada rice. They have lower glycemic impact. These alternatives are not only blood sugar friendly but also more nutritious. Number 10, the golden tip that many people ignore. Move after meal. Physical activity after eating helps your muscle to soak up glucose, reducing the load on insulin. So after every meal, take a 10 to 15 minutes walk, play with the kids, do the dishes, dance, sweep. All these little activities can help your body deal with glucose better. So you see, you don't have to give up rice, bread, or potatoes. You just need to eat them wisely. So there you have it. Eat fiber-rich meals with protein and healthy fat as your first meal of the day. Add vinegar to your meals in a safe way. Let starches cool and refrigerate before eating. Pair carb with protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Wash your portions. Follow the right eating order and move your body, especially after meals. Being mindful of how you eat is very important in stabilizing your blood sugar as someone living with insulin resistance, diabetes, or prediabetes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. You could be helping someone living with diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.